Midline machining. Midline machining is to machine the graph or image along its center axis. There are two types of midline machining: 2D machining and 3D engraving. The cut depth of 2D machining is fixed, and the material is cut along its midline. And during 3D engraving, the cut depth will automatically be adjusted and will vary according to the shape of the object and the tool used. Firstly, select your object that you wish to machine. Go to Toolpath, Midline Machining, and select your tool. Use conical, diameter 0.2, angle 45, height 10. And select 3D cone for the machining type. You can change your midline length. You can change your minimum midline length and set your sequence to near first to speed up machining. Reverse machining is to machine the original toolpath in the reverse direction again after the first time machining in order to make sure the surface of the material becomes smooth. This is not needed for demonstration. Click OK. And you can see the path created for first layer of midline machining. Select it and go to your bottom right and click Hide Path. This will hide the path for you. Select the rectangle, right-click, and choose Hide Object. This is because we wish to machine these shapes again. Now select them, go to Toolpath, Midline Machining, and choose the same settings again. And you will see that it will now machine the inner parts of the drawing as well. Now go to the bottom right again, click Show Path, and this is what the path will look like. Show object as well, and now you can see what it looks like. Go to Toolpath, Toolpath Shaded Simulation, and you can see how the object will be machined. By default, you are in ISO view. If you wish to rotate it, simply right-click and move your mouse and adjust the view angle. And that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.